It was about 15 years ago. I got into the car business. I've been around cars my entire life. I mean, I grew up in a body shop. DA'd my first Corvette when I was 7 years old. It just seemed right. You know, I worked on them so many years. I was a body man, I was a mechanic, I did upholstery work. So the only thing left for me to do was sell them. Who knew I'd be this good at it? I genuinely want to help you. I genuinely want to hear what you have to say. I genuinely want to be there. I believe in taking care of people during the sale, through the sale, and after the sale. That's the kind of things that we do. You know, we take people, put our arms around them, and just help them move forward in life. Hi, I'm Shawn Sweitzer. I've been at Greenwood Chevrolet for 7 years.